Today is 9th of May 2019. Market trade a long dated doji. The range is actually not very big, with average volume down 14 points to close at 3269. Now here we have severe sell downs. Usually overreactions, we tend to actually experience throwback, and this is what we see for a day only, and today managed to make another low. Now the chart is actually badly damaged, so it's better to actually take a short position rather than long. Now this damage itself will need a lot of time to repair. Now I mentioned over the last few videos that the US market is approaching respective resistance, so we just have to be very careful to scale back our long position as well. Now let's take a look at the S&P 500. So you can see actually it broke the downward trend line while approaching this resistance, and likely to actually to continue pullback. Support will be at this 40 weeks. Now I would like to actually see how we actually turn up. Unless there's a positive catalyst, it's difficult to break this resistance at this point in time. Now we take a broader markets, NYSE. Notice very obvious white range reversal bar, so it's actually quite damaging in that sense. So it is advisable to take a smaller risk, and it's better to take a short position rather than long. Now let's take a look at some of the stocks we'll be discussing. Let's take a look at Align Minerals. This stock actually has a run yesterday. Today trade a long dated doji with very high volume. This sign of uncertainty, likely to actually pull back here, maybe stuck in the trading range. We'll just see how the quality of the pullback. Notice today's volume is also extremely high, so it's more likely to actually pull back from here. So we like to observe. Now you notice today managed to actually test 20.05. This is a psychological resistance. This is the price where the bid size change. So it's usually very difficult to bash through unless the volume pick up significantly. Nevertheless, this I just want a bright spark currently. Accordia Golf Trust. Yesterday itself, we actually saw a breakup. Right, today trade a doji, low volume. This is generally nice. Like to see it break above the high here of 635. Now the rest of the strongest stocks are really rates related. It's difficult to do swing trade, but we just discuss. Okay, take a look here. Stock actually managed to make a high yesterday. Today, trade inside day, volume is actually high though. So again, this is probably for info, and if you wish to actually do swing trade, you can use really charts, but you need patience for that. This is Ascendas India Trust. Notice actually very nice run up, and there's a pullback right now, and you notice it starts to actually test this resistance here, the high here of 134. The stock is actually going S division, so you got to be careful. Capital DC REIT. Notice there was a run up and trade a series of sideways bar. Alright, may well break on the upside. Notice today's pullbacks extremely low volume. Okay, so generally healthy. So again, as I mentioned, REITs is normally not suitable for swing trade. Wilmer Internationals. Now this gap is caused by dividends. Notice actually the stock has a very nice run up, and expected it to consolidate. Waiting for a catalyst to actually trigger to break on the upside. Now if you add back the dividends, it's about this level here. This recent high here is about this level here. So I'd like to actually see a break above this high here, about 361. Now let's take a look at the bank stocks. This is DBS. Alright, this gap here is caused by dividends, but here we have severe sell downs, and today it still managed to make a low, even though it closed high. But whatever the case may be, it's actually badly damaged with this gap. look for a throwback here. We like to look for setups to short. OCBC. Again, notice very big gaps here, very big range. Today managed to make a low. Look for a throwback here, and look for setup to short. Now, by which time the 1326 probably will turn down. UOB, we have a bottoming tail, so that area itself look difficult to handle. This is what I'm referring to. So I think it's better to actually look at DBS and OCBC.